about what new has come up as well as do a refresher of what already exists. Before we start, Arun Prasad sir, who's the Chief Wildlife Warden and PD QSF, has joined us online. I would invite sir to give some opening remarks before we begin the day, and then we can move forward. Sir, can you hear us? So maybe you can start.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। जैसे मैडम ने कहा, मैं पीडी क्लस्टर तो नहीं हूँ, बहुत सारा सामने दे दिया है। अभी मेरे पास चीफ वाइल्डलाइफ वार्डन के साथ है। उस कैपेसिटी से मैं आपके साथ इंटरेक्शन कर रहा हूँ। क्यों अभी जो यूज केस उन्होंने दो बताया था वो हो गया है। अभी एक दो यूज केस हम कर रहे हैं, उसका इम्पोर्टेंट यूज केस है हमारा वाइल्ड लाइफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का है। जो वाइल्ड लाइफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का यूज केस है ये काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है। अभी हम हमारे एफएमडीएस से डेटा लेके टू द सिस्टम, फिर हम उसको देखा था जीएस प्लेटफॉर्म में, काफी अच्छा है ना इंसाइट मिल रहा था। यू कैन एक्चुअली विजुअलाइज भाई कहाँ हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम, क्या स्केल में हो रहा है, क्या स्पीशीज हमारा मेन प्रॉब्लम है, वो सारा अच्छा विजुअलाइज कर सकता है। ये हमारा काफी काम का चीज है। तो इसलिए अभी जो बीसीजी का टीम ने आपको अभी बताएंगे, उसको थोड़ा सा आप इंटरेस्ट लेके देखिए और ट्राई करिए आपका जो डिवीजन में डेटा है उस डेटा को भी एफएमडीएस में थोड़ा प्रॉपरली अपडेट करने का। जितना डेटा हमारे पास सेट है उतना अच्छा ये काम करेगा। देन वी कैन ऑल्सो लर्न भाई कितना इसका प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है। तो इससे मैं आपको सभी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपका वाइल्ड लाइफ यूज केस का थोड़ा ध्यान से देख लें और जो आपके एफएमडीएस डेटा सेट है उसको भी एक बार रिव्यू कर लें सो दैट वी कैन डू अ बेटर जॉब। सो आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू ऑल। क्यों काजल जी, इज दैट ओके?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I think CCF ma'am wants to say something, sir. If you can just wait a couple of minutes.
Good morning, sir. Sir, today we are here in this MDS University auditorium, and we have placed this training here, and we have with us Vice Chancellor sir, of the university also, sir. So, Mr. Suresh, Professor Suresh Agarwal ji is here, and Professor. So, just that we are starting the training now, so I thought I'd put in a word about the presence of the university people also along with us here, sir. And before we begin, sir, with your kind permission, I would like to speak a few words about what we are doing in the forest department, sir, in this
Please carry on.
Sir, thank you, sir. So, good morning all. I think I will spear on from here. I'm CCF Ajmer, Khyati Mathur. We welcome on behalf of the Forest Department Vice Chancellor sir, Professor Agarwal sir, Mr. Mathur sir, and the other esteemed professors, and extremely thankful to the university for always walking hand in hand with us in every sphere of conservation and protection that we do here. For the benefit of all, I'd like to begin with a small round of introduction for the rest of us, and then a small brief of what we are doing, why we are doing this training, and then we can carry forward. So, I have introduced myself. These are the team from Jaipur. Yes, please.
Sir, you can drop now, Arun sir. Thank you so much for.
Thank you, sir. I'll carry on from here, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much for your kind words, ma'am. Before we begin, once again, I would like to warmly welcome Professor Suresh Kumar Agarwal, Vice Chancellor, MDSU, our CCF ma'am, Khyati Mathur, Professor Subrato Datta, the Head of Department of Environmental Sciences, Dr. Ashish Parekh, the Director of CSBM, and Professor Praveen Mathur, Wildlife Warden, and Professor Shiv Prasad, HOD of Management. Just to do a quick round of introduction, myself, Kajal Fitkiriwala. I am a consultant with BCG. What we are doing here is we have partnered with JICA, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, which is a DFI, to build the Digivan system. I'm joined today by my colleague, Mr. Anzala Shafi, who is also a consultant with me at BCG, as well as our tech team, SatSure, who have actually built the system in terms of the development of the system. And I have Mr. Aman Mathur joining us from that team. to begin with, like ma'am said, maybe we can go around the room and everyone can introduce themselves, and then we will start with the presentation.
Professor Shiv sir, I am head of the Department of Management Studies.
Good morning, all the respected member on the dais. My name is Akansha Gopal and I am posted at ACF Parbat sir in Nagaur division.
Good morning all. Myself Dr. Sajan Kamadia, SDF Nagaur and I will be in charge of SDF.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल मेरा नाम कमल कुमार कुमार है मैं एसीएफ हेडक्वार्टर नागौर में पोस्टेड
I'm Anurag Mehti and I'm currently posted ACF Top.
Ashutosh Parekh from Top IE.
Good morning all, myself Mansingh, R.O. Pushkar, additional charge, KC Kazana.
जयसिंह चौधरी आर.ओ.
Dr. Subrata Chandra, Head Department of Environment Science.
Professor Praveen Mathur. I was earlier heading the Department of Environmental Science and right now associated with the
Yes.
Forest Department as a wildlife warden.
Yes, keenly associated with us. So we also have 4 districts range officers, that means some 26 people joined in this VC program. And just before they begin sir formally, this Digivan is a platform of the department that tends to interact all the activities that we do in the forest, whether it pertains to forest plantations and forest development and projects. And now we are taking it a step further and including our wildlife rescue, wildlife management and those modules also. So what happens is we upload all the data from the base here, the baseline data, the KMLs of the landscapes, and monitoring at the highest level can be done at the state level. So this is a part of a government initiative, the JICA project, that we already have begun in the state, Digivan portal. And now we are expanding it further. So today's workshop is about wildlife modules of the Digivan. So I think now we can begin the presentation.
Sir, आपके जो student
Yes, please.
Thank you so much for the place that I have been appointed here, and the whole credit goes to Professor Mathur and Professor Datta for that. In fact, the introduction that they gave was half of it. But what I say about him is, he said that I have retired, but I say that we have 2 heads of department in environmental studies. One is the HOD of policy and the other one is the execution, right? So HOD execution, HOD policy. So he is HOD policy and he is HOD execution. So this is how, right, I introduce them very often.
So this is your luck, sir, to have somebody.
Yeah. And he is very keen on taking up anything that is given to him.
Yes.
And basically the things that belong to Paryavaran, environment and the university. So in fact, I am the lucky one to have him here on the campus also, and even after retirement he continues to contribute to the development of the institution. Now as far as this program is concerned, although we are very closely associated, but I would like to say 2 things about it. Number one, we as department must be made, if there is a possibility of it, a part of the policy decision body also. Whenever you do something, the view of the department must be taken into consideration. If there is a place that can be accorded to the department from that point of view, and I think that we fulfill all the criteria from that point of view, our department. The conservation we are doing and the other things also we are doing. So if that is space, because that could be encouragement to the university and to the people who are working here. Professor Mathur is somewhere working somewhere, he is associated with some government work also, you are talking about it that way. But then the other people, the department as a whole, if it can be given a space, like you are doing the activities here, but I wanted that as a part of the policy also, if it is possible, and if there is any initiative or the letter or anything that is to be done from my side, I would be pleased, I would be happy to do it. So please do it, otherwise you are connected at fully because of Professor Mathur and Professor Datta. So I am grateful to you that you came and did the program here. And I think that this program will benefit all the people who are here.